Drawing instruments are tools used by engineers, architects, designers, and artists to create precise and accurate drawings, plans, and designs. Each instrument has a specific purpose, and they are essential for producing detailed and professional-looking drawings. Here's a list of common drawing instruments and their usages. Pencils. Pencils are versatile tools for sketching and drawing. They come in various lead hardness grades, e.g., 2H, HB, 2B, for different line thickness and shading effects. Erasers. Erasers are used to correct mistakes or remove unwanted lines and marks on a drawing. Rulers and straight edges. Rulers and straight edges are used to draw straight lines and measure distances accurately. T-square. A T-square is used in combination with a drawing board to draw horizontal lines parallel to the drawing board's edge. Triangles. Triangles come in various angles, e.g., 3-0, 6-0, 9-0 and 4-5, 4-5, 9-0, and are used to draw precise angles and straight lines. Compass. A compass is used for drawing circles and arcs of various sizes and radii. Protractor. A protractor measures and draws angles, which is especially useful in geometry and technical drawings. French curve. French curves have various curved edges and are used for drawing freehand curves, particularly in architectural and technical drawings. Templates. Templates are pre-designed shapes, symbols, or patterns used to create consistent and repetitive elements in drawings, such as flowchart symbols or architectural symbols. Drafting compass. A drafting compass is a precision instrument used for technical drawings. It has an adjustable lead point for accurate measurements. Scale ruler. Scale rulers have multiple scales printed on them, allowing you to draw objects to a specific scale, such as 1:100 or 150. Pantograph. A pantograph is a mechanical drawing instrument used to duplicate or resize drawings. Mechanical pencils. Mechanical pencils use a replaceable lead and are ideal for fine, consistent lines in technical drawings. Templates for letters and symbols. Templates with letters, numbers, and symbols are used in drafting and technical drawings to add text or notation. Stencils. Stencils are used for creating consistent and repeatable shapes and patterns, especially in graphic design and art. Inking pens. Inking pens come in various line thicknesses and are used for inking and adding fine details to drawings. Parallel rules. Parallel rules are used to draw parallel lines at a fixed distance from one another, such as in grid patterns. Ellipse guides. Ellipse guides help in drawing ellipses with specific dimensions and angles. Drafting board. A drafting board provides a smooth, flat surface for drawing, and it often has an adjustable angle for comfortable work. Drawing compass divider. A drawing compass divider is used to divide a line or circle into equal segments. Lettering guide. Lettering guides help create consistent, uniform, and stylized text in technical drawings and architectural plans. These drawing instruments are valuable for various professions and hobbies that require precision and accuracy in creating drawings, plans, or designs. The choice of instruments depends on the specific requirements of the task and the level of detail needed.